guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you my birds playing outside. This is a lovebird and this is the right point. So here are my three other birds. One is Sky, the other one is Rio, and over there is Snowflake, and the green one is Disco. And in here is Sunshine, which is like afraid to get out. So their feathers are turned up for the green ones can fly, but it's not flying. And this is my lovebird. Actually, it's my friend's, and I don't know what to name it. Should I name it like Coco or something? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Oh well. And yeah, my other birds. They're like eating the seeds. They're enjoying and fun. They're in groups. And that one's alone. Sadly, doesn't want to come out. They love to eat the grass. Look at this. Look at these two. Well, wow. Look them closely. See, there's one right over here. Look at here closely. So as you can see, it's the green one. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. You should let your packies outside if they don't fly away from you, and if they do, then you probably shouldn't because they'll fly away. And thank you guys for watching, and see ya.